Here's what it looks like now. So you just turn it on here. And now it's coming out of there. Different selections here. One for a spray there, and also there's a different and then to switch to the shower head, you just turn this thing, and now the water comes out of there and not out of there anymore. And if you want to go back to the handheld, you just turn this like that. And you can turn off. There. All done. And the back looks like this. I have to add this diverter valve. And behind here you can't see it, but I had to add the connection for the spout for the handheld.
This shower head took all of 5 minutes to install, and it's working really well. This is the second one we've bought now for our new place. Recommend it highly.